Hello again, Helen here, your wellbeing advisor. So we have another gift set that I wanted to talk to you about, which is also full of some amazing oils. If anyone's struggling with any ideas for people, this gift set has got clove oil in, which is really good for pain, so relieving toothache and muscular pain, and clove oil also helps with asthma and colds. Sandalwood is also included in this, which is a great oil for the skin, and it's also one of the best oils you can use to like lift your mood, so anybody who really needs a little bit of a boost or to relieve some anxiety. Pine needles oil is also in this, which not only smells amazing and really Christmassy, but it's really good for boosting your immune system, which we all need at the moment. And ginger is also in it, and this is just a lovely oil for your digestion, helps to reduce bloating, and it soothes kind of stomach issues and nausea, which hopefully we won't have too much of unless we eat too much Christmas food. So that set is £9.99 for all those oils. For an extra £2, however, you can have the same set but with a nutmeg oil added as well. And nutmeg oil is really nice, and it's said to enhance your energy levels, so give you a bit of an energy boost, and it's also got antifungal properties and anti-inflammatory properties. So yeah, that's £11.99 from our store. So go online and check. They do make really lovely Christmas gifts, and you could also add one of our tea lights, our oil burners that have got tea lights in them and diffusers, and that would make a perfect little gift for someone. So all our products come with free postage and packaging. Go check out our website.